The eyes are open. The tools are yours. Hotjar, ClickFunnels, and the power of psychology. Stop chasing sales and start engineering them. The marketplace is waiting to be enchanted. Arise. The funnel is no longer a page. It is a world. Every email, every ad, and every landing page is a perfectly synchronized movement in the grand design. The conversion is now an absolute certainty. Even a master refines his technique. We use A/B testing to pit two illusions against each other. Only the strongest survives to become the final reality. Words are the threads of the Genjutsu. We don't describe features. We describe transformations. We don't sell liquid. We sell the moment the room stops when you walk in. The world lives in the palm of its hand. If your funnel fails on mobile, the illusion shatters. We optimize for the thumb, ensuring the path to purchase is as smooth as glass. If they leave, the illusion follows them. We use retargeting pixels to ensure the mystical parfum appears in their social feeds, their emails, and their dreams. There is no escape from desire. The sale doesn't end at the thank you page. We use the one-click upsell to maximize the transaction. While the customer is in the buying trance, we offer them the companion piece. A lone hunter is cautious. A pack is bold. We use social proof, the testimonials of the tribe, to drown out the customer's inner critic. If everyone else believes, they will too. Logic takes time. Emotion takes a second. We use real-time scarcity to force a decision. When the mystical perfume is almost gone, the desire to own it becomes a physical need. We don't wait for traffic to know if a design works. We use AI heat maps to simulate the human eye's path. We predict the future so we can fix the present. The final second is where the battle is won or lost. Most customers flee at the shipping cost. We use micro-commitments to trap them before the logic of the wallet kicks in. Colors are not aesthetic choices. They are neurological triggers. We use deep violet for mystery and electric gold for urgency. We are painting a dream they don't want to wake up from. A website is a place to browse. A funnel is a place to buy. We use ClickFunnels to build a linear path of destiny. No distractions, no exits, only the destination. To fix the funnel, you must see what they see. We use Hotjar, the modern Sharingan, to track the movement of every soul that enters your domain. Observe where their interest dies. Traffic without conversion is a ghost. You can draw 10,000 eyes to your shop, but if they leave empty-handed, you are not a marketer. You are a victim of your own Genjutsu. It is time to see through the fog.